Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. In this tutorial, we will learn how to draw umbrella from 5 dots. As under the shelter of a vibrant umbrella, a girl's imagination dances upon its canvas, her strokes waving a tail of raindrops and dreams. Each stroke carries her hopes and fantasies, creating a colorful refuge amidst the grey skies, where even the storm whispers secret of beauty and wonder. In a world where raindrops kiss the earth and dreams take flight, a vibrant umbrella becomes more than just a shield from the storm. With the every stroke of a girl's imagination, it transforms into a canvas of colors, weaving a tale of beauty and wonder. Amidst the grey skies, drawing from 5 dots can be a fun and creative exercise. Here is a simple method to draw from 5 dots. First of all, place the dots. Arrange 5 dots on your paper in any pattern you like. These dots will serve as anchor points for your drawing. Connect the dots. Using your imagination, connect the dot with lines to form shapes or outline. You can draw straight lines, curves, or a combination of both. Fill in the details. Once you have the basic outline, start adding details to your drawing. This could include your shading, additional lines, or colors to bring your creation to life. Refine and finalize. Take your time to define the drawing, adjusting lines and adding any finishing touches. Step back occasionally to assess your progress and make any necessary adjustments. Enjoy your creation. Once you are satisfied with your drawing, sit back and admire your work. Drawing from dot is a great way to unleash your creativity and see where your imagination takes you. Join us as we explore the magical realm where rain meets art, and don't forget to like